Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today we are going to practice some basic conversation skills that you can use in everyday situations. Let's get started.
Hi there. My name is Pooja. What's your name?
Hello, Pooja. I'm Rahul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Rahul. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. And you?
I'm from Mumbai. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. That sounds interesting.
It is. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and hiking. How about you?
I like playing guitar and watching movies.
That's cool. Do you have any favorite movies?
Yes, I love sci-fi movies. What about you?
I'm a big fan of mystery novels and films.
Nice. It was great talking with you, Pooja.
You too, Rahul. Let's stay in touch.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.